Hey folks, 99 here, and this is a video that I was talking about, the Winchester 1892 project that about a year ago I put together. If you haven't seen that video, I bought the receiver which had absolutely no parts in it, no lever, hammer, trigger, anything on the inside, and actually had to buy the same species black walnut wood to put the rifle together. There's companies that make aftermarket wood parts, so I wanted to match the same wood. Anyway, you can go back and see those woods, and if I remember, I'll put a card up so you can go back and watch that video. But today, we're finally out here, beautiful Southern California, desert, high desert, out here at Hodge, and it's safe out here. We have people out in the distance, but we're going to be test firing in a totally different direction. So without further ado, we're actually going to try to see. Number one, I want to see if the rifle will fire at all. Number two, if it'll cycle. And then third, I'll actually see what kind of accuracy I can get out of it. But I don't expect a whole lot out of a 132-year-old rifle. But we will see. So I think I got a little bit of precautionary measures that I'm going to take. Just okay. Have our eyes and ears on. Try to load her up. Load it. Malfunction. And why it did that, I don't know. The round is in there. All right. This is a little nerve-wracking. I won't lie. All right, let's see. I don't want to have it by my face the first time, so to be honest with you, let's see what it does. Ready? One, two, three. Nothing. Let's try it again. I guess you didn't feel like it the first time. One more time. Let's see. How about it? How about an eject? Okay, eject. Oh, there you go. Try again. Let's see. Ready? One, two, three. I don't know what that is. Try again.
Did you cycle it?
Oh, you might want to do that, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, you didn't cycle it.
All right, this time again. Ready? One, two, three.
Oh, you good. Yeah,
Eject.
I hear you now.
All right. What if I load up? I don't think I need this anymore. Got rid of the face mask, but I think I'm gonna keep the gloves. What do you think?
Think so. Just in case. Live target.
We're giving a little panoramic of our beautiful area out here. 5. What do you think? We ought to try accuracy shot.
I'm zoomed all the way in.
Okay. For some reason, it doesn't like that. Area right there. There she goes. All right. Headshot.
Headshot.
Ready?
Zone. On target. Not too bad. Not too bad. On target. That's 3.
All right. They don't need to hear that kind of stuff that you were just talking about. How far away do you think we were right there? We were just about
10 feet.
that was more than 10 feet.
No, it's about 10 feet.
We're about 20 feet away.
We brought this out to about 25, 30.
And these are the targets. And honestly, I was aiming right around this area when I figured it was shooting a little bit high. But that 3840 puts a nice size hole in you. So accuracy, she's a little bit old, so it would not ever be my go-to gun, but I'm happy that it fires. It had a few issues on cycling. I had to rack it a couple of times for the round to go into the chamber. But after 3 or 4 shots, it did pretty decent. But again, just to be able to come out and see that it actually fires, I would say I'm about 88% happy with the way that it performed, and I'm going to still try to work on tuning it if there's any kind of way making some adjustments or anything like that. But overall, I would say it's a successful build, a successful project, and I'll probably move on to my next one will probably be the 1873. But for now, I'm happy with it. I would say it's pretty much a success. I appreciate you guys watching. Remember, respect the working class, because we like to do stuff and get things done and make things work. Prime example right here. Appreciate you watching. Catch you on the next one. Stay up.